So welcome to James Mete Smart Farm. So if you look at this super Nepian grass, which has been harvested just the other day, it is very, very green. But when you look at around that super Nepian grass, you can see the ground is dry, very, very, very dry. But at this particular point, the things are different. So look at this environment here, this portion here, the super napping grass or pangchong one, it is green. Why? Because this plant or fonda resists in drought, and that is how it survives. So if you look at this place here, and I have shown you, it is very dry, but here there is no watering. And in fact, this thing is very, very, very green, and it is looking healthy. So suppose this is just an example of how it does during the drought season. Because right now, the drought is biting. Every farmer is crying. So I normally teach the farmers to have consistent founder that can resist drought, that can resist diseases. So this product of Pangchong 1 takes 3 months to grow after planting. So as you can see this one already it has been harvested, and you can see now this is already 3 feet. So by another 45 days, it will be like this. So another folder that a farmer requires, we have it here. Australian red napier, which is also good for drought resistant, and it takes shorter time to mature, and in fact it has high quality crude protein. So these are the founder or consistent founder which we are advising farmers to grow anytime, anywhere in the world. So this one grows in semi and arid areas. So when we talk of drought resistant, it means that whether it is dry or it is raining, this plant or Pangchong 1 that is Super Napier and Australian Red Napier, it will do well. I have other founder in my farm, so be my guest. Welcome. Anytime you visit me, you will get them, or you can ask for purchase, and I will deliver. Thank you and welcome.